good afternoon, good night, wherever part of the world you are listening to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be talking about how to get a hosting, how to register your domain name, and start building your website. My name is Precious, and I'm from Digital Web Hub. So today, before we continue, I would like you to share this video. Click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. So without wasting much of our time, we're going to be talking about things to consider before you choose a hosting company. So there are a lot of reasons to put, or there are a lot of factors to put in consideration when you're actually choosing a hosting company. Firstly, you're going to consider their uptime, speed uptime rate of their server, because that is what actually makes the first impression whenever you are actually logging into any website. And also for websites that has high uptime speed, Google usually rate them high. That is when you're talking about search engine optimization. So second factor you have to consider also is you're talking about the customer relationship base. For instance, there are a lot of hosting companies whereby if you sign into their hosting plans and you having any technical issues, it takes them a whole lot of time before they can actually attend to you. So on my list here, we've actually recommended list out some group of hosting companies we are actually recommending to you. On our list here, we have Whogohost, we have Namecheap, we have GoDaddy, we have Hostinger, we have Bluehost, we have HostPapa, HostGator, HostWind, Domain King, SiteGround, Host, and Just King. And that's we have a whole lot of thousands of hosting companies. This is basically the ones we're recommending on our list, and you can further make your researches and you can actually get more hosting companies depending on what you want. But for today, what we're going to be using to show you how to get your how to register your hosting and get your domain name is Namecheap. So without wasting much of our time, so we have to quickly go to our Google Chrome, launch our Google Chrome. When we launch our Google Chrome, okay, let me not use Google Chrome, let me use my Kiwi browser, because I've actually done some things on Google Chrome before now. So once you get to your Google Chrome browser, you click here and type namecheap.com. So when you type namecheap.com, you're gonna sign in. So it's gonna tell you to sign in, but I actually have an account before, so I'm gonna sign in and also sign out for first timers. Those are for you guys that don't actually have an account. So what am I going to do right now is I'll click here and I'll click, sorry, I'm coming guys. So I'll click here to click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, it's telling me to enter an OTP code. Sorry guys. Sign up. Coming guys. I'll have to cancel this. This is wrong. So once you click on sign up, this is gonna pop out. It's gonna tell you to put in your username. Make sure every details you're putting in here that you can remember them. You click on password. Make sure you remember your password. You click on okay, this is where you actually start. These are for those that already have an account. So coming this side, say create an account and login. So you put up your username. Make sure your username say all characters must contain at least 8 characters. So you put on username that at least have some of this character that are listed here. You put on a password. Make sure you remember your password. You confirm your password. You put up your first name, your last name, your email address, and you click on create and sign up. Voila, you've already signed up account on Namecheap. So if you sign up now, you're going to get a notification on your email address and you enable it and log in. So I already have an account on Namecheap, so what I'm just going to do is to sign in, and I'm going to sign in to my Namecheap account right now. It's loading guys. So it's loading. So it's trying to tell me to put in an OTP code. This is some security reasons, security stuff we've done to actually protect our account from online thefts. So I don't want to use an OTP code, so I'll click on I want to use a backup code, so I have to go back and get my backup code. Coming, guys. Trying to get some of my backup codes. So I'm not choose any of this. I come back here and put in my backup codes. I click on this and I submit it. Yes, I've logged into my Namecheap account. So now remember, we're talking about getting a hosting and registering your domain. So we'll quickly go to get a domain name. So you click here, click on this three dot here. When you click on these three dots by the top right side, if you are using a mobile phone, if you are using a personal laptop, that is a PC, you also click on this drop down. It will show you domain. You click on domain. Once you click on domain, it's gonna come out. So first thing you have to do is to search for your domain name. You have to choose a domain name. That is what your website is going to be like. For instance, if somebody is coming to your house, the name of your street or your area is what the person is going to use to actually find you. So this sentence is applicable to your domain. So you have to choose a domain name here. I can type my name is Precious. I can say preciousstores.com. If you actually want to use a .com extension, you can go for .ng, .org, and whole lot. But this is a professional domain name. Looks like it always comes with a .com. preciousstores.com. So I'll click and search for the domain name. It's loading. Yes, preciousstores.com. It's trying to search to see if it's actually available online or someone else has already made use of it. Okay, my network is poor. Guys. Okay, I have to off my data and on it back. I'm coming, guys. This is taking time to load. Okay, my network is back, so I have to refresh the page. Oh shit. Okay, it's searching for preciousstores.com. Okay, so Precious Stores there are some suggestions that I'm making here. preciousstores.com is already registered, so it's making some suggestions. You can go for preciousstores.org, preciousstores.net, preciousstores.ai, preciousstores.gg. So we can now check out for another domain name. We're actually going to search and get the one that is matching someone else has not taken. We can say Muna's Academy.com. It all depends on the kind of business you are doing sales. So this is available. Munasacademy.com is available. So if you actually need one extension with .ng or .org or .net and all that, you can go for that. But .com is a standard domain name. So the next thing you have to do is you click on add to cart. You add to cart. So after adding to cart, it's already been added to your cart. You now go and still click on these three drop downs and go for hosting. Click on hosting. Remember, your hosting is just like your subscription. Without your hosting, nobody will be able to access your website, and without your hosting, you can't even host a website. So it's telling us to find a plan. So we'll click on find a plan. No, you can't find a plan. No, we're not going to find a plan. We just have to check on types of hosting. Okay, it's recommended you check your shared hosting. Click on shared hosting. These are the ones we are recommending. So here we have the Stellar Plan package. There are a lot of packages, but For now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm recommending Stellar package. So because it's actually affordable and it's also the uptime rate is very high. This is something we've done severally. So you click on, okay, it's saying $1.98 per month. So the secret here is, if you are getting this hosting for a year, if you are paying for 1 year, it's going to cost you $1.98. But if you are getting it for a month, it's going to cost you $4.48. So they have a discount for those that are getting it for 1 year. But if you don't have enough fund to get your hosting for 1 year, you just get for 1 month. So you click on get started. So these are the features it comes with. You have your disk space, you have your bandwidth, unlimited, you have your 3 websites. So the next thing you have to do is also do what? You add to cart also. So once you've added to cart, you now have your domain and your hosting. So you have to do what? You click on confirm order. But I'm not gonna buy because I already have a hosting. I'm just trying to use this for I'm just trying to use this as a means of to teach you how to do this. So currently, next video I'm gonna tell us on how to make payment, because currently they are not accepting the Naira MasterCard. So these are the methods you use to actually register your hosting and get your domain name and get a hosting plan. So if you click on checkout, they're going to tell you to put in your payment details, and you pay Namecheap. And that email you use to register your Namecheap account, that is where your login details, your cPanel login details will be sent to your email. Then you will now use your domain name / your cPanel and to access your back end. So once you put in your domain / your cPanel, you type in domain / cPanel, it will take you to your cPanel account. Then from your cPanel account, you can now access the back end of your website where you do your necessary installations and all that. So if you like this video and you want more of this video, I want you to click on the like button, share this video for more interesting videos like this. And in our next video, I'm going to be showing us on how you can fund your Namecheap account and pay for this hosting and domain. My name is Precious and I'm from Digital Wealth Hub, and I think at this juncture we're going to end this video. Bye for now.